This video is brought to you by Hasa, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery-powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. In this video, I'm going to show you the cartridge filter extension for the bottom feeder and the shrimp cleaner. And this essentially turns the 50 square foot cartridge filter assembly kit into a 100 square foot cartridge filter. And note that you have to have the original cartridge filter assembly kit for the extension to work. And of course, the cartridge filter assembly kit is sufficient for most pools. It'll pick up about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of dirt. But for those special cleanups, you definitely would want to get the extension, so you can just do a one-time cleanup without having to change out the cartridge and clean it. And the beauty of the filter assembly kit is that you can go from bag to cartridge filter in about 10 seconds. And the cartridge simply threads on to this threaded halo. I would say that was probably about 4 pounds of dirt. And I didn't feel any back pressure at all, so it probably could take a little bit more. But there was quite a bit of dirt in here. You can see all the dirt here. And by the way, these bins are great. And I'll post the Amazon link in the description. But these are actually the perfect size for these cartridges. You can clean the cartridge in here. You can also store them. And you should clean the cartridge after every use to prevent the cartridge from getting saturated with dirt. This also prevents any kind of blowback when you put the cartridge back into another pool later on. And if you don't like the battery pack hitting the back of the cartridge while you're using it, you can use this clamp here and you can set it up so the battery pack is raised further up on the pole. And the bottom feeder will supply you with the spring clamp. You'll take your pool pole and you're going to slide the battery on there upside down. And you want to go back about 12 to 18 inches. And then take the clamp and clamp the battery pack onto the pole. Go ahead and reattach the cable to the battery. Now the battery won't hit the cartridge while you're using it in the pool. And the cartridge filter extension comes with these 2 extra long rods. It also comes with the 50 square foot unicell cartridge filter. And it comes with this specially designed ring that will connect 2 cartridge filters together, creating the 100 square foot cartridge. And assembly is extremely easy. Go ahead and remove these rods. You'll take the top off. Then Then you'll thread the cartridge onto the bottom feeder or shrimp. And you'll place this special ring inside the cartridge. And note it says this side up. And you'll take the cartridge that's included in the filter extension and put it on top. Go ahead and put the top on. And then you'll take the rod and slide it in here. And you'll do the same thing on this side. And to simply tighten these rods down on top. And once you see the filter start to compress, you know that you have it tight. Just loosen it slightly. And the same thing on this end here. So in about 1 minute, you've converted the 50 square foot cartridge filter assembly kit into a 100 square foot cleanup cartridge for the bottom feeder or shrimp. And so now the capacity for dirt has doubled, and you should be able to pick up 3 to 4 pounds of dirt with this 100 square foot cartridge. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, The Bottom Feeder, and Hasa. They make this content possible.